As we progress through these Google Docs and we add more and more experiments, you're going to have to know how to add a new page every time we have a new experiment. So I'm on the practice page. It can either be in the final reports or the rough drafts, it just depends. But I'm going to do the one for the final report. I know the next experiment that's coming up is experiment 5. But all I see down here is experiment 8, and I'm not really sure, did I add that? Did somebody else add that? So I want to figure out how I can do that. So I want to be on this page. There's a little thing up here that looks like a page with a plus. It says new page when you hover. You're going to click that. And it's going to come up here, and I want to name this experiment 5. And then I want to make sure when it says a location, I want to make sure and put it underneath of my name, which my name for this purpose is practice page. And then I'm going to click create. Now, if you notice here are some different templates. You can automatically create the experiment template, and if you do that when you create the page, it automatically has everything you're going to need on it. So I've added that nice feature so it makes it a little bit easier on you. The title is already right here, experiment 5. All you need to do is save this page. Now if I go back to my name, practice page, now I have experiment 5 and experiment 8. And when I click on experiment 5, looky there, everything's already there. I just have to copy and paste my information into this document.